I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search for Action SendGrid. Give a name. For API key, please click on SendGrid API token. Click on Create API token. Give a name. Now click on Create and View. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to SendGrid dashboard and click on Marketing. Then click on Contacts. Click on All Contacts. You can see record is created in SendGrid. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.